SKIN, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at the beauty health company, man, I mean, I love it. You know, it's great. 50% increase in price. Ultimately, all this is actually going to look like is trying to double down on this beautiful pump, right? So obviously I'm going to keep it with a grain of salt because I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. Tens of thousands of good dollars has gotten into this, but ultimately I'm in love. You know, I like this. It doesn't mean that I'm straight up gonna buy though, so I'm gonna mark up the top, and only if I do see the price pulling down and then showing me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm buying. So let me know what is your opinion on all this, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10k per month with our indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. See ya.